Where are you going?
I just putting this over there.
You gonna take a picture with your phone?
No, I'm putting that over there.
Oh. Hey, Alex. Hi. Hi. There's that Bella.
Gustav! Bedroom!
Pardon.
Gustav!
Say, Alex, cheese.
We don't have to cheese.
Oops, too bright. Alright, today is Monday, the 26th of March, 2012. It's after nap time, about 5:15. And we'll probably go out for a walk later. There you go. What you saying, bud? Yeah. There's Bella. Bella has a cough again. Mommy has pink eye. Lovely. Here, should we show my eye? Here. Here's me and Bella. Ready? See my lovely eye and love.
I think it's
How? You what?
a sticker.
What?
A sticker here.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, oh, is that a hug for Alex? Nice.
No. This is the place.
Is that turned off? You should turn it back up. Can you turn that on for him?
Alright.
Yeah.
One.
Nice.
Green.
Again?
Here, the red monkey, the orange cat.
Alex. He'll be crawling soon, huh?
If you want to have fun, stop tapping on your drum. 1, 2, 3.
Alex, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Did Bella come in? Oh, yes, Bella!
I'm here.
Yeah, she's back. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, oops. Oh. Okay. Bella, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good. Say hasta luego. Is that your Hello Kitty sock?
Not showing my 40.
Oh, okay. Alright. Charlene's.
Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding.